Hello guys, my name is Alex and in this video I'll be unboxing this all new coffee maker I got from eMag. It's called the Starlight CTD-612SS. So each time you buy something on the internet it comes in a box, and that box should have a seal like this one. So make sure you have that seal on your products that you buy online. You need to cut it, that way you know for sure it's brand new. Something like that. Don't you just hate it when it says it's easy to open and you need a chainsaw or lightsaber to open it? Okay. This is warranty, a user manual. It's a big box. I wasn't expecting a box as big as this one. Okay. It's a big one. It's kind of moisty. Why is it moisty? Did someone already make coffee in it? I had like 2 French presses this week, but I broke them both, unfortunately. Yeah. Come on, motherfucker. Okay, and this is it. This is the coffee maker. Very big coffee maker. I wasn't expecting something as big as this one. Oh. Okay. Okay, slowly. Okay, and right here is the mug protected. Be careful when you unbox it, you don't want to break it. I got it because it had like a lot of positive reviews. Like it had like 21 5-star reviews. Okay, and this is it. It comes packed with a lot of specifications, like you have an LCD for programming it, presetting function to make the coffee for the next morning. You have like a 1.5 liter water tank, a stainless steel design. I like the design. Okay. Automatic warm-up function to make sure that coffee keeps its flavor for 40 minutes. It has an automatic shut off, so it's more so it shuts down safely. And it has a vertical anti-drip feature which can help to remove the carafe even in the process of making the coffee. Okay, so interesting. That's how it looks. Awesome. Thank you for watching.